What is the term for a cybersecurity attack that occurs without the user's knowledge, often exploiting system vulnerabilities? A. Covert breach. B. Zero-day exploit. C. Silent intrusion. D. Stealth attack. Answer: B. Zero-day exploit. Which technique involves manipulating the sequence of execution in a program to execute unauthorized commands? A. Code injection. B. Session hijacking. C. Protocol fuzzing. D. Traffic interception. Answer: A. Code injection. What term describes the process of systematically probing a network to gather information about its topology and services? A. Network reconnaissance. B. Endpoint profiling. C. Target scanning. D. System enumeration. Answer: A. Network reconnaissance. Which cryptographic attack involves comparing the time taken to execute cryptographic operations to reveal secret information? A. Brute force attack. B. Timing attack. C. Side channel attack. D. Rainbow table attack. Answer: B. Timing attack. In cybersecurity, what is the primary purpose of a honeypot? A. To detect and analyze malicious activity. B. To provide secure storage for sensitive data. C. To simulate real network traffic. D. To perform network packet analysis. Answer: A. To detect and analyze malicious activity. Which type of malware disguises itself as a legitimate program but performs malicious actions in the background? A. Spyware. B. Trojan horse. C. Ransomware. D. Worm. Answer: B. Trojan horse. What is the primary function of a firewall in network security? A. To encrypt network traffic. B. To prevent unauthorized access to or from a network. C. To detect and remove malware from network traffic. D. To authenticate users connecting to the network. Answer: B. To prevent unauthorized access to or from a network. Which cryptographic algorithm is commonly used for secure communication over the Internet? A. MD5. B. SHA-1C. AES. D. DES. Answer: C. AES. What is the term for a security vulnerability that allows an attacker to bypass authentication and gain unauthorized access to a system? A. Privilege escalation. B. Cross-site scripting. C. SQL injection. D. Authentication bypass. Answer: D. Authentication bypass. Which security mechanism assigns permissions to users based on their roles and responsibilities within an organization? A. Role-based access control. RBAC. B. Mandatory access control. MAC. C. Discretionary access control. DAC. D. Attribute-based access control. ABAC. Answer: A. Role-based access control. RBAC. What is the primary purpose of a VPN, virtual private network, in network security? A. To encrypt network traffic. B. To block unauthorized access to a network. C. To detect and prevent malware infections. D. To authenticate users connecting to the network. Answer: A. To encrypt network traffic. Which type of attack involves flooding a network with excessive traffic to disrupt normal operations? A. DDoS, distributed denial of service. B. Man in the middle, MITM. C. Spoofing. D. Phishing. Answer: A. DDoS, distributed denial of service. What term describes the process of examining and validating the security measures implemented in a system or network? A. Vulnerability assessment. B. Penetration testing. C. Security auditing. D. Threat modeling. Answer: C. Security auditing. Which cryptographic protocol is commonly used for securing email communication? A. SSL, Secure Sockets Layer. B. TLS, Transport Layer Security. C. SSH, Secure Shell. D. PGP, Pretty Good Privacy. Answer: D. PGP, Pretty Good Privacy. What is the primary purpose of a WAF, Web Application Firewall, in web security? A. To filter and monitor incoming and outgoing web traffic. B. To encrypt data transmitted between web servers and clients. C. To authenticate users accessing web applications. D. To analyze web server logs for security incidents. Answer: A. To filter and monitor incoming and outgoing web traffic. Thank you for watching Cyber Trainer. Like and subscribe.